Hi, my name is Dr. Aaron Castleman. I'm a chiropractor here in Highlands Ranch, and I just wanted to make a quick video for you guys today. I've seen a lot of car accidents around Highlands Ranch recently, unfortunately, with bad weather and such. And so this video is about the 3 most important things that you need to know if you've been in a car accident related to injuries. First, a disclaimer. If you've had any sort of life-threatening injury or very serious injuries, it's very important that you have gotten these checked out at the emergency room or urgent care, depending on which one is more appropriate for you. So here are the top 3 things that you need to know about injuries after a car accident. So the first one is car accident injuries can be very sneaky. If you don't feel pain right away, that's actually sometimes very normal. Sometimes these injuries don't really express themselves fully until a couple days, even a couple weeks I've seen after the car accident. So don't minimize or underestimate your injuries. If you start noticing symptoms that were not there before the accident, even a couple days or a couple weeks later, definitely get these checked out. It's very important to get your injuries diagnosed and established when they're happening, not later down the road. Number 2, make sure you get proper treatment for your injuries. Many people undertreat these injuries. They just treat the pain, they wait for it to go away. Imagine you sprained your ankle. There's an acute phase where you're having inflammation and pain, but when that inflammation and pain goes down, if you don't rehabilitate the ankle properly, you're going to sprain your ankle again later. Same things happen with car accidents, whiplash type injuries, spinal injuries. Even if the pain starts feeling better, if you don't get proper rehabilitation for all the muscles and tissues, you can have problems down the road 6 months, a year later. So you want to make sure you get all the proper treatment done now for the injuries if you have any. Number 3, car insurance. Now this is not intuitive. This is a complex subject matter. Many people are very confused by this, but in the state of Colorado, in everyone's car insurance policy, you should have something called medical payments coverage, or MedPay for short. Medical payments coverage is typically a $5,000 policy that covers treatment for injuries up to the $5,000 with no co-pays or deductibles. Now, if you are not at fault in the car accident, you should not have any increase in your premiums for using this policy. So you can safely use this if you're not at fault in the accident. Now, if you were at fault in the accident, you can still use your MedPay, by the way. You still have that $5,000 coverage. Your premiums are probably going to go up if you're at fault anyway, so there's no real reason not to use your medical payments coverage. And if you have it, you've been paying for it every month anyway. The nice thing about MedPay is that there's no out-of-pocket up to the ceiling on the policy, which is typically $5,000. Here at Pinnacle Chiropractic, we work with most insurance situations. We'll even work with the third party, which is more of a complex situation, the at-fault driver. If you have any questions about that, feel free to call the office though. So hopefully this video helped you guys out. I know there's a lot of ins and outs and it's very stressful to get in a car accident. I try to simplify it today with a couple of really important pieces of information. If you have any specific questions about any insurance considerations or injury situations, below is the comments field. Feel free to put those on there. I check this pretty regularly so I can answer those if needed. Share it with any friends or family that you might have. Again, my name is Dr. Aaron Castleman, and I'm a chiropractor here in Highlands Ranch. Hope you guys have a great day.